If you're looking to take your digital marketing to the next level, learning how to use dynamic text replacement with Proof can make a huge difference in your campaign's success. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set it up and why it's one of the best tools you can use to improve conversions on your website. Dynamic text replacement with Proof allows you to personalize your website in real time based on what your visitor is looking for. Whether they came from an email, an ad, or a specific page on your site, dynamic text replacement lets you swap out specific pieces of text to make the message more relevant to that user. And the result? You get higher engagement and better conversions. So how does it actually work? First, you need to set up Proof. After you've created your account, you'll need to create a new campaign. This is where you'll select the page you want to work on and decide which dynamic elements you want to change. You'll be focusing on the text, but remember, you can also use dynamic text replacement for other elements on the page if needed. Once you've picked your page, you can choose the source of the dynamic text. This could be the UTM parameters from your URL, the ad campaign that brought them there, or even the user's location. This is where you'll make sure the right message gets to the right person at the right time. For example, let's say you're running an ad campaign targeting people interested in gold IRAs. If a visitor lands on your page after clicking the ad, dynamic text replacement can change text on your site, such as learn more about gold IRAs, to something more personalized like see your personalized gold IRA options. It's a small change, but it makes a big impact. Next, you'll create multiple versions of your text, one for each variation of your user. For instance, for the visitors coming from your ad, you might want to show a headline focused on gold IRAs, while those coming from an organic search could see a message that addresses general retirement planning. This customization is what makes dynamic text replacement so powerful. Proof also lets you set triggers. If a user lands on your page from a specific source, the dynamic text will automatically change. This takes all the guesswork out of personalization, and your marketing becomes much more data-driven. Plus, it feels more organic to the user, like you're speaking directly to them. One of the most powerful features of Proof is that it tracks performance. Once your dynamic text replacement campaign is live, you can monitor how well it's converting. You'll know which versions of the text are performing the best, allowing you to optimize and refine your strategy over time. But here's the real kicker. You don't have to wait forever to see results. Proof provides instant feedback with its heat maps and session replays. This means you can immediately see if your dynamic text is engaging visitors and prompting them to take action. Here's the big takeaway. If you're new to using dynamic text replacement with Proof, just start simple. Personalize a few basic elements, monitor the performance, and slowly scale up as you get more comfortable with the tool. The more you test and refine, the better your results will be. By the way, if you want to try Proof out for yourself, you can use it completely free right now through the exclusive link in the description below and get access to some extra bonuses. Trust me, this tool is worth checking out for anyone serious about improving conversions. Remember, the key to digital marketing success is personalization. By using dynamic text replacement with Proof, you can make sure your website always speaks directly to your audience, turning them into loyal customers. And before you go, don't forget that you can start using this software for free today with an extended trial from the link below. Get started now and watch your conversions soar.